For anyone serious about off-road driving, having the right accessories can completely change the experience. Today, the focus is on the 4x4 off-road accessories, lightweight steel dual-cab auto car parts, specifically made for the Mitsubishi L200. After extensive testing across different terrains, it's clear how these parts affect performance, protection, and usability. Starting with material and construction, these accessories are built from lightweight steel. That combination of strength and low weight is crucial for off-road enthusiasts. The steel is thick enough to withstand rocks, debris, and rough trails, but it doesn't add unnecessary weight that could affect handling or fuel efficiency. Driving over gravel, mud, and uneven surfaces, the parts held up well without bending or flexing, proving that the design prioritizes durability and performance. Installation is simple and well thought out. Since these components are made for the Mitsubishi L200, all mounting points align perfectly with the factory frame. No drilling, cutting, or modifications are necessary, which is important for maintaining the truck's original structural integrity. The instructions are clear and intuitive, making the process manageable even for those without extensive mechanical experience. Once installed, the accessories feel solid and integrated with the vehicle, with no rattling or misalignment. Design-wise, the parts enhance the L200's rugged appearance without being excessive. They are sleek and aggressive, complementing the truck's factory styling. Edges are rounded to prevent damage to cargo or accidental scratches, and reinforced sections are strategically placed to handle impact in high-stress areas. This is more than just cosmetic, the engineering ensures that the vehicle is better protected in real off-road conditions. Functionality is where these accessories really shine. They provide additional protection for the rear and undercarriage of the truck, critical areas that often get damaged during off-road driving. When navigating uneven terrain or climbing obstacles, the vehicle feels more stable and confident. The steel components distribute impact forces effectively, which minimizes stress on the chassis and other vulnerable areas. Durability is another standout feature. Over weeks of off-road testing, including exposure to mud, rain, and dust, the steel parts maintain their integrity and appearance. The finish resists corrosion, making cleaning simple. A quick rinse removes mud and dirt, and there's no build-up that could compromise the material. For frequent off-road drivers, this combination of low maintenance and high durability is a major advantage. Beyond protection, these accessories improve the driving experience. On-road performance remains unaffected, turning radius, handling, and fuel efficiency remain close to stock levels. Off-road, however, the added reinforcement allows for more aggressive driving without fear of damaging critical components. The kit gives the driver confidence to tackle steeper inclines, rough trails, and uneven surfaces. Attention to detail is evident throughout the design. The steel is reinforced in key areas, and the finish prevents scratches or injuries during loading or moving around the vehicle. Unlike some aftermarket kits that prioritize looks over function, this set is clearly engineered with practical off-road use in mind. Every aspect, from material choice to edge finishing, reflects thoughtful consideration of how the truck will be used in real conditions. When considering value, this kit offers a strong proposition. For the quality of materials, ease of installation, and the practical benefits provided, it's a competitive option for Mitsubishi L200 owners. Off-road upgrades can be expensive, but this kit offers tangible performance.